Go to Google, type in zebrarblx. The first one. Character downloader, on the top. Insert the user of the player you want to make an edit, not display. When you did that, press download under. Go to AVU or download it. Create a project. Press model. It's on the bottom. Press import, then click to add. Find the file you downloaded. Yay, it's imported. Press the model then, position scale. Click on scale and swipe right. Then rotate. When you did that, press left right. On the right, move the circle. It's facing you now. Now you can edit. Gonna make a tutorial with basics. Bye for now, see you later, D.